Let's do a demo on how to run Python in either Windows. You may review the last video and try out those examples in the video yourself too. So to start, you click on the Python icon to get this shell. This is where you can then experiment with all your examples. For instance, we have a equal to 3, that is, let a be 3. Then when you ask what is a, you get 3. Let b be 5. When you ask b, of course, it is 5. We can then say c equal to a plus b. In this case, c should be 3 plus 5, and thus it should be 8. And we can ask also a equal to b or not. In this case, a is 3, b is 5, so they are not equal, so it's false. It's a equal to b minus 2, and in this case, this is true. Now, you can also do, for example, a comma b, b comma a. This is to say that a is given the value b, b is given the value a. In this case, then you are interchanging the value of a and b. So now a is 5, b is 3. Alright? So if you ask a equal to b minus 2 or not, of course, this is false, because a is now 5. 5 equal to 3 minus 2. No, that's not true. You can also define function like double. It's taking input x and it is colon. The body is you want to return 2 times x, and this is double. So double as a function, when it takes in 2, you will return 4. When it takes in 4, you will return 8. And of course, double a, it's also defined because a it's a 5. The double of 5, it's 10. Now, of course, you can also do double a plus b, which is 5 plus 3, double of 8, which is 16. As you can see, the shell is very good for you to quickly experiment with your idea. But whatever you have done here will be gone once you leave the shell. So usually you keep your code in a file, save it as a file. So here you can do file, a new file, so you get a file. Alright, and then you can type a equal to 5, b equal to 3, define double x, where you want to return 2 times x. Alright. Now you are done with your typing. You need to save it as a file before you can execute it. File, save as, just pick any place that's convenient to yourself and give it a file name and save. Now with this, you can run. You see that this is restart. So now a is 5, b is 3, double is a function at some memory location. You can say double of a, which is 10, double of b is 6, double of a plus b, which is double of 8, which is 16. So it's very convenient now that you have it in a file. You can also, anytime that you have to amend your code, for example here, instead of 2 times x, I don't want to use multiplication, I want to use x plus x. Once I've finished the amendment, I want to run it. First I save it, then it runs. Again, if you put double a, you get 10 as before, double b, 6, double a plus b, 16. Now, as we say, restart, it has restarted and clear up all the memories in there. Suppose in the middle of it, you have also a plus b, as you have tried. So c is this, and you do not want to clear up everything, but you want to simply do some simple amendment like b equal to 4. you can do copy, Ctrl C, and paste Ctrl V, and now B, it's 4, A remains at 5, C remains at 8. So you're not disturbing any other variables that are not in your file. Likewise, if you want to change the function, instead of x plus x, you want to change back to 2 times x, and you can copy this function, Ctrl C and Ctrl V, and you have it defined again as 2 times x. That's about all that we need for now. You should have fun in trying it out yourself.